Yeah, so uh, sure, listen. Can you state the slides? Like, message. Okay, okay. So I'll just go ahead. So, I, I just wanted to talk about more beginner training for AI and like I think a lot of people are new to AI and like don't know how to use it even. So I just wanted to share uh, like more about it and yeah. So like if anyone has any question, you can drop in the chat afterwards. Yeah. So if AI feels confusing, you are in the right place, and you are not too late, or you do not have to be techy, and you do not need any experience, and you just have to get a small win every day, and then you can uh, start getting comfortable with AI and using it every day. So in this training, here's what you will walk away knowing that what AI actually is in plain English, and no jargon and no scary tech talk, and how to talk to it, and the one simple formula that gets great results every time, and three things to do today, and I'll explain like more about like the tools that I use, and uh, I'll just give you like few tasks we can do together on Claude to plan, to write, and to get unstuck. So I think the simplest explanation we can give about what is AI is really it is a super smart assistant you can talk to in English, and AI has been trained on a lot of data like on books, websites, and everything, and to get to get the like a correct output, and it has read most of the internet. So like what they do is they crawl all the websites on the internet, and then find like patterns in the word suggestions, and then try to come up with a new request when we are talking to it, and it knows almost everything. So you type what you need, and it writes back in seconds, and what you type has a name, and it's called a prompt, and that is the whole skill. So it's just there's no magic to it. It's just a tool, and then we are the one who as humans who are responsible for training it, and getting like our own output from it that we want from it, and we are in the charge. So I think the real secret is that people who get the most from AI share one thing, and it is not tech skill. It is that they stop waiting to feel ready, and like I think the more we work with AI, then we start getting like a better output and start getting good results from it. Because I was talking to other person like our community member yesterday, and they were saying that when we give when we give surface level details to the AI, then we get not so strong output back. So like we have to give a lot of context to the AI, and in simple terms, context means that what you say to it, depending on who you are and what you want the task to get done, and that is the whole game. So we that. So we have to get our first result. So I said that we'll get quick results from this session. So like the main AI tools that are available right now are Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. And personally, I use Claude a lot more than all the other tools because it has so many smaller tools that I can use. So it has the co-work, Claude co-work, Claude code, and skills and projects, and all these smaller tools that are more faster and automate a lot more. And but like I personally started with ChatGPT, and I think a lot of people in the community started with ChatGPT because that's how AI got popular in the tech space. And then Gemini is good if you have a lot of tools working in if you work with a lot of Google tools like Gmail or Google Drive and all that. So if you work with that, then uh, Gemini is also good for it. And there is a co-pilot. And then if you're working with same as Google, if you're working with like Microsoft's AI tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and all that, then Copilot is the main tools to use. And mainly, I talk more about Claude because like it has you can get more done with it, and it has more capabilities. But I think like even like what I recommend everyone in the community to do is that we should all stick with one tool and get good at with it, and then understand everything about it, and then move on to the next tool. Because I personally I mainly use Claude a lot, and then before I used ChatGPT, but I found it was very limited in its use. Okay, yeah. So I think the AI formula you need to remember as in a core skill is that like what you want it to do, what you want it to do. So when you are prompting AI, you have to say that you are my helpful assistant, and the second thing you can say is what you want it to do. So the task and the exact result you need back from it, and the third thing is what it needs to know. A few details plus the format you want it in. So let's say if you want a slide deck, let's say like a sales page or a sales page, you want it written back. You have to say that what you want it to do. So be a professional, online, act as a professional business owner, or like online business professional, and then what you want it to do, and what details you have. So my product title is this and everything, and then like the more context you give, then you will get good result back. And that's why I launch a lot of like the AI prompts tools, because a lot of people don't know like how to prompt well with AI. So like this is a very good skill that we need to learn. So what you can you actually use AI for? So these are like if you're a really beginner, then these are a few tasks that you can start using in AI. Like with your like everyday work, so you can plan your day or week. So you can turn a messy to-do list into a clear plan. Then you can write like messages, like you know how to talk to other people, and you can brainstorm when you're stuck. So like ideas, names, and angles. I try to do it when I'm stuck on like what to name something, what to name a product, or what to name a certain thing. I would just look up ideas and then explain anything simply. If I don't understand a concept or like what someone is like if it's too complex for me, I just ask it to explain it to me like in a simple steps, like to go uh, to go to the basic details and summarize long stuff. So it can summarize long articles or notes and make it short. So if I have like a long magazine or something big that I'm reading, then it will summarize it, and I'll say just give me like five points from it, or I tell it to listen to a podcast and give me 5 points of what the reader like what the speaker is saying, and start what you avoid. So like if you are avoiding something and you don't want to do it, ask like AI like how to get this task done if you are not sure like how to do it. So I have this prompt written. So you can, yeah, you can Lily, if you want to use the prompt, you can maybe screenshot it, or um, I'll just, and then I'll show like a demo of like how to use the prompt. Um, can you see it, or we can, yeah, we can do it together. Okay, yeah. So just copy the prompt together, and I'll uh, share my screen on top sharing. So you can just say like you are my helpful personal assistant. Help me plan my week, and um, what here is everything on my plate, and you can list what you have to do and ask me anything you need, and then give me a simple day-to-day plan. So I do this exercise myself, where what I do is I say that I have to do like this 7 task or 10 task in this week, and then I tell it to divide it into days or like 7 to 8 days, and then like if it's like personal task or like work task, then it helps me divide it into days, and then like what I do is I take those days and then I put it into my calendar, like on Monday I'll do this, on Friday I'll do this, and that's how I use it as a personal assistant. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you can just screenshot it, or I'll just post the recording also. So we can go back on it later. And maybe I'll post it in the school post also, like the prompts. So it will be easier for you. So, um, so like if you want like to write a friendly like a client email, or like a polite follow up, and you are like dreading to write that email because you don't know like how to perfectly write it, so you can use this prompt, and it will uh, write like the text or email for you, and it sounds professional also. um, and and like the another task is that let Claude get you unstuck. So I use this prompt is that you are my brainstorm partner and I'm stuck with this problem, and give me 10 simple ideas that help me pick the best one and tell me why. So like if you are stuck on like a decision you have to make, or like like I said that business names, content ideas, solving a problem, um, like if the Claude like helps you, like this prompts help you uh, make like extra decisions, like so it doesn't I think AI doesn't solve the main problem actually, but it helps you think of like other ways of thinking about it. Like because like our mind are stuck on like how to solve a problem ourselves, but I think AI helps it solve it more easily. And AI is a conversation, not a one shot. Um, so like you do not get one answer and stop. So like what I'm saying in this is that you have to go back and forth with it, and can you make that simpler, or what about this? So you can use these words when you're talking to it. Like try that again. So like in this way your output that you are getting from AI becomes more simpler, and like in the end you get what kind of output you're thinking about. And if you're getting like something not getting the bad answer, you're getting a bad answer, then you have to be more specific. Tell it exactly what you want instead of what you got, and show it like a good result, like an example of like what a good result or style should be. So like what I try to do is I give it a good email, or I give it a good social media post, and what I do is give me similar social media post or email. So like the one I'm going to be using, so it matches the my result to that input. So in that way my like the product thing I'm getting is becoming really cool, because it has to match it to that input I have given. And you can just try just ask again, and then the more you prompt it, it will give you better result. So first, like so everyone who's would be watching this, so your first three moves inside the community is that just introduce yourself in the feed, and then open the classroom, and this replay would be there, and you can show up and get the most out of this. And uh, and you can drop in the community like what if you have tried any of these prompts when you try it, and then I'll be happy to share more about it. And uh, and then I'll be doing more trainings like this inside the community. So yeah, so I'll just stop sharing. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and